What up, guys? Sorry for the messy hair. I fucked it up, but it's not about that today. So I got a new car, and then it's gonna be a project. It's gonna be like on a vlog. I'm gonna do like little things on it. So it's outside. When I'm outside, I'll let you guys see it. A little walk around, what I'm gonna do first and stuff. Catch you guys in a bit. Well, guys, I'm back. So what I was going back to, oh shit, look what it has. Kill him. That's good. It has a strut bar. My bad, guys. I'm over here eating my nuts. But basically it's pretty much stock. That's why I wanted it, actually. So I'm gonna go through it a little bit, see what's wrong with it. I did drive it here, but right when I got to my house, it overheated and it turned off on me. So have to see if the fans are turning on right, or I'm gonna see. But yeah, guys, honestly, it's a nice little come up, well, to me, since I've been carless for like a good month now. Then it has it right here too. So it has some parts that I like the rims, coilovers. I'm gonna have to get these. My stereo. What else? Well, I'm gonna start vlogging about this car, every little thing I do on it, and then eventually a swap, since I have a you can say friend that has an Integra, that has an H series swap, so he can like show me how to swap it, since this is gonna be my first swap. And yeah, guys, well, first I'm gonna take off my fenders. So yeah, let me get that off real quick, and then I'll see what's next. Alright, guys. Well, this is what I got done. I took off both fenders, front bumper, and then on the jet update, he actually bought coilovers. So the plan for this guy is gonna be, I might just get a new bumper, low-key, because I don't feel like doing that much work. And then for the fenders, we're actually gonna clean them because they're actually in good condition, right? So then I'm gonna put it up on top of ramps real quick, so I can check from the bottom. And then yeah. Well, guys, I decided that it's getting way too windy to do anything else, so I'm gonna leave it like this for a day. Just wait on it, guys. It's gonna come together. And then he's actually gonna put coilovers, because these don't work, the thing inside don't work, it's loose. And then whatever he's gonna do right there, and then he took off his brake panel pad. Look how loose this is. Let me show you guys how the fucking well, guys, he's painting the, I don't know what they're called, like the lips, not lip, like little fenders, because they were just painting. But we still need to send this one down, and I'm already gonna start painting this one. Let's see how it looks.
Wow, I really like the beat. I got some shit up on my chest. I think it's time I preach. It's time I preach. Yeah, yeah, it's time I preach. Yeah, yeah, it's time I preach. I don't got real shit to say, then I don't make a sound. I was #1 and losing, now it seems we run the town. I've been climbing up them ropes, now I can't seem to.
Well guys, this is how it looks like. Not the best, but this is just one coat. What? I'm trying to do this. Missed a spot. But don't worry guys, I'm gonna try to fix it. Alright, see you guys in a bit.
Wow, I really like the beat. I got some shit.